Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this zoom in animation for your vlogs in CapCut PC. So go to animation and go to the in animation and select zoom 1 or zoom 2. So this is zoom 1. You can also adjust the duration here for how fast you want the zoom to be. Ideally, I'd put it at like 0.5 seconds or 0.7. Same with the zoom 2 one. I'll just select the zoom 1. I'm just going to place it at 0.5 seconds, and I am going to go to the audio section here, and I'm just going to type in like whoosh and sound effects, and I'm just going to place it here. There we go. Here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!